just want it.
Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself?
Oh baby, if you ever need a helper.
Second, please.
Second?
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. What floor?
Where you go?
I'm going to 4. I'm going up.
Okay. ¿Cuál 4? Espera, me espera.
Damn, nice. Interesting call station. If the call station doesn't work, then I'm gonna have to go down to the 3rd floor. Alright, we're gonna go downstairs and we're gonna call it from there. Okay, I think I should. Call button not working, use the stairway. Okay. Wow. That's just nice. Man, these call stations are... Okay, we're not going anywhere. Let's take a quick cab here before someone calls the elevator. These things are very huge. Indicator looks like it's broken. All right, let's go back down to 1. Oh, 1 works. You can barely even see it. All right, I'm gonna stop the video here. There's a lot of people.
Contigo.